nanos are running out of room, and we're running out of time. Popping balloons always used to scare the hiccups out of me. Oh.
Hey, they're gone! And so are my hiccups!
Bravo!
The balloon must have scared your mighty hiccups away. Now you're not duplicating out of control.
That's it. If we can scare all the nanos in Town Hall, they'll stop hiccuping and stop duplicating. We just need a really big balloon.
Ooh, leave that to me.
Here, Liberty, it's my biggest one.
Whew. Okay, let it fly.
Thanks for the laugh, everyone. Town Hall's all yours. Check it out. I'm just me again.
And that's plenty for us.
Thanks, Liberty.
Well done, Mighty Pups. Thanks to you, Town Hall is still standing.
And Nano is still Nano.
Aww.
You're welcome. Whenever you're in trouble, just for help. Uh-oh.
Stop, you hunk of paint-spewing junk! No, no, don't drive on that old broken bridge! It's not safe!
Nothing like a nice walk in the fresh air, huh, Bettina? Hey, thumbs up! Must mean the old bridge is fixed. Let's try it out. Bettina, what do we do now?
Bettina!
Skye, Zuma, we need you at Rickety Ridge Bridge.
Be right there, Ryder.
Bettina says you all better get a move on.
Harness.
Zuma, catch from morale.
Roger that, dude. Arf! Buoy!
Nice catch, Zuma.
Let's get you to shore.
You go on ahead, Bettina. I'll walk home. Thanks for the rescue, PAW Patrol.
Take care, from morale.
Okay, the bridge is fixed.
Now we have to find who's painting these lines everywhere.
Oh, those look sharp! Stop! Stop! Seriously? This is where you stop? Well, it's about time.
Marshall, you need to get up there, fast.
On it, Ryder. Ladder! That's it. Come on, come on. Okay, Mayor Humdinger, you're next.
Hey, he said I'm next, not you.
Chase, look out below. Rough net!
Mayor Humdinger, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You saved the day once again. Okay, gotta go before that thing finds me.
What thing?
That thing on top of the... Ah!
Aw, it's a sweet baby goose.
Sweet? It's been nothing but trouble.
Wow, Mayor Humdinger, he really likes you.
Well, of course he likes me. But shouldn't he be with his family?
He should be, but where did the goose come from?
How should I know? They're the ones who took it from its nest.
It's definitely his nest, but it looks like his family left a while ago. They must have migrated to a warmer place.
You heard the Pops. Hurry up and migrate. Oh, where did you get that?
That little goose is starting to act more like a mayor than a bird.
That's because the goose imprinted on him. He thinks Mayor Humdinger's one of his parents.
We've got to get him back to his bird family. Quick! Maybe I can get him to ride with me. Honk, honk. Honk.
This is getting ridiculous.
Hurry, Zuma! Follow that sea lion! You got it, dude!
Hey! Please give that back!
Zuma to Ryder and Chase. I found their missing Marjorie.
All right, how's she doing?
Good, she's safe. And, playing catch with some sea lions?
Catch? More like Marjorie in the middle.
These silly sea lions think my anniversary present is a toy. I followed them all the way here, and I am not leaving without it.
We need something to distract those sea lions long enough for Marjorie to get her present back. Something even more fun, like...
My drone! Sit tight, team. We're on our way. Ryder! Chase! The cave's over here! Time for some distraction action. Run! Drone! Attention, sea lions! Why toss around some boring old present when you can play with this?
Doesn't seem like the sea lions are interested.
Wow, tough crowd.
Yeah, but there's no way they can resist this. Rough disco ball!
Harrigan's present. Got it. But who's got me?
Our rescue buoy!
Thank you, Zuma. Now how about a ride to Seal Island? I've got a date to keep.
Sure thing, Miss Marjorie. Hang on! Whoa! That was close.
Hello, Skye.
Salutations, Skye. Well, I figured out the catapult's next big target. Me! Get clear. Hang on, Ryder. I have an idea. Over here.
Coconut pink! Coconut pink!
The catapult has a lock on me. I think it'll follow me wherever I go.
Great thinking, Skye. Lead it back to the coconut grove. Marshall, Carlos, here's the plan. Looking good. Skye, how close are you?
Almost there, Ryder. Puedo oírlos. I can hear them. Whoa!
Coconut pink! Coconut pink! Coconut pink! Coconut pink! Coconut pink!
The plan is working. There are so many pink things, the catapult doesn't know what to target. Tracker, Rocky, now!
Coconut pink! Coconut pink! Coconut pink!
Ah, it appears you require manual antenna stability. Allow me.
Screwdriver!
Coconut pink! Coconut pink! Coconut pink! Coconut pink!
Ow!
Coconut pink! Coconut pink!
All set. Voice command restored.
Coconut pink! Pink! Pink!
Uh-oh! Power off, off, off!
Coconut sweet!
This thing was a lot easier to bake than it is to steer. How do I slow it down?
If Rubble and Marshall can't stop that cinnamon roll, this really will be our final episode of Adventure Bake Bakes.
That's all the icing. I just hope it's sticky enough to do the trick.
nice shape and color.
But it's going to be hard to sink our teeth into all the lampposts and mailboxes. We can't eat this.
The icing is a sticky sensation, though.
Oh, I knew I should have brought Roosterio for this.
Now for the corn cakes. Presentation is a little rustic.
But they are scrumptious, and they didn't almost destroy the town. The winner of Adventure Bakes is...
What's the holdup?
Mayor Goodway and Chickaletta! Woohoo! Yeah, Mayor Goodway!
This is for all the little chickies out there who think they can't cook just because they don't have thumbs.
That's one car, but what about the other one? Already taken care of.
Ah, a cliff! On second thought, you take the window seat.
Train car 2 is A-OK, Ryder. Great work. The only thing left to do is get the crystal piece back from the cheetah.
You'll have to catch me first.
We've got to get the crystal back before she gets hurt. Liberty, think you can launch Chase to the cheetah?
Sure thing, Ryder, but we'd better move fast.
Working on it. Okay, Chase. 3, 2, 1, go!
See? I'm the fastest!
Back where it belongs. Whoa, not so fast, cheetah!
Thanks, I guess.
Thank you, Mighty Pups. With your quick thinking and Chase's quicker speed, everyone is safe and sound.
You're welcome, Mayor Goodway. Whenever you have a need for super speed, just yell for help.
Who's the fastest pup in town? Mighty Chase! Mighty Chase!
Hooray!
Yay! Yes! Priya and Rubble on the dome-grabbing double.
Now sit tight, and we'll grab you before you go over that cliff, okay?
Did she say cliff?
Radical!
Rough green!
Oh, don't tell me now it's over.
Okay, Priya, that rocket ski's all yours.
Focus. Focus. And jump!
Whoa!
Ryder, you're okay.
That was totally awesome. I've never been more relaxed. This is what relaxed feels like, right?
Ooh, ask me again when the world stops spinning.
Hi! Hello! Welcome! Grab a pillow and we'll get started soon.
Whoa, look at all the people coming to your class, Priya.
Isn't it great? I guess they saw the dome blasting through town and had to give meditation a try. I can't wait to tell my parents.
They'll be very proud of you, won't they, Chickaletta?
Oh, I think that's enough nature for one day. This can't be good. Oh, somebody help me!
The geyser's gonna make it impossible to try a rescue from the ground. Skye, can you reach him?
I can't get close enough, Ryder. That geyser will blast me out of the air.
Mayor Humdinger won't be able to hold on for long.
I've got an idea. Let's empty out this broken hunk of humble.
Okay, Zuma dude.
Now how about a push?
Coming right up.
Hansay, Mayor, jump in.
Thank goodness you're here. This park of yours is filthy. Look at how dirty my hands are. No! I'm falling! Abandoned ship! It's every mayor for himself! What?
Ryder! Pups, look out below!
Hang on. Rough neck.
Good catch, Mr. Moose.
That was a blast. Thanks, Ryder. Thanks, Pups.
Zuma, we need you for a water rescue. Meet me in Foggy Bottom.
Let's dive in.
What about me? I can do water rescues too. I have the outfit and everything.
All right, Mayor Humdinger, hold on. Life jacket deploy.
Hey, Mayor Hum, dude.
Okay, Zuma, pull it next to Miss Humdinger so she can climb onto your hovercraft. It's like these gator bros are playing hot potato.
Only the potato is Miss Humdinger.
Oh, I think these sweet gators just want to take me to their home.
But their home could be dangerous. Not as dangerous as the home I gave her, but still.
Zuma, see if you can catch Miss Humdinger with your buoy.
On it.
Oh, thank you, Zuma Wuma. That was a very clever plan.
Look at me, Hummy Mummy. I was clever too. I was very brave.
Careful, Mayor Humdinger!
Cat food tins? Hummy Gummy, how did this mess get here?
I have no idea. Definitely didn't come from some trash tube connected to my leg.
What's Garby doing up there?
Garby got so upset about feeling replaced that he moved in with a family of beavers.
I don't think so. Garby just told the eagle he needs the stuffy for his new baby brother or sister. He's not sure which yet.
What stuffy? Garby didn't run away. He's trying to do something sweet for the baby. Go, Garby!
Uncle Otis!
Are you okay?
I'm fine, but that goat of yours isn't. He's headed straight for a waterfall.
I'll save you, Garby!
I think he might need our help.
I'm trying, Garby, but this log is harder to steer than a rusted tractor. Help!
Zuma, meet us at the waterfall. There's a goat, a farmer, and a stuffy that need your help.
I'm on my way.
Everyone else, follow me.
PAW Patrol, over here!
There they are, pups. Let's hurry.
Ladder!
Good job, Marshall. Now, Rocky, climb out and try to grab Farmer Al and Garby as they float by.
I'm on it. Ah, extender! Quick, grab on!
Breaking news! Farmer Yumi's baby is on the way right now!
Oh, did you hear that, Garby? The baby's coming!
Farmer Al! Now!
Whoa!
Oh, no! Gotcha!
Thanks, everyone. I have an idea. Julius and Julia, keep going the way you're going and you'll meet the path to get back to town.
Us? Yeah, of course.
Come on, follow us, everyone.
Now I just need you pups to hurry to Search and Rescue HQ. It's time to make a donut run.
Don't worry, Chase. You can count on us. What are you going to do?
I'm taking Tal to help Digi finish the race. Tal, you ready to rock?
Let's roll.
Chase to Rocky. I need some good news about those handlebars.
I'm closing in on them now, Chase.
Aha! Found them! Great! Come to my position as fast as you can. Over and out.
Chase, I have located Digi.
Whoa! Yeah! Puppy provided assistance. We should discuss the lack of bike lanes in this forest.
Everything is going to be okay, Digi. Cause we've got backup. Quick, Rocky, use your extender to attach those handlebars.
Extender!
Oh, good. I still can't stop, but at least I can steer.
Chase to Skye. I'm going after that cooler.
It's getting dark, so I need you to be my eye in the sky.
Roger that. Night vision. The cooler is rolling down the mountain just past the picnic area. Drive under the fallen log and take a left at the hollow tree.
Yes, Chickums. It does sound like someone's headed this Chase! The cooler went that way!
Thanks, Mayor Goodway. All search teams, be advised. I'm in a hot cooler pursuit.
Chase, there's a big boulder up ahead. Searchlights!
We're off! Now! Mayor Humdinger, Mr. Humsquatch, get off the cooler!
And leave all this food? Never!
Uh-oh! Now the cooler's headed for the river!
Zuma, I need you in the water!
We've got to turn this thing or we'll fall in! The other way! We really need to work on our communication. Chase, the cooler is about to careen off the cliff. I fear for our furry forest friend.
I fear for my gourmet food!
Time to make a splash! Buoys! Chase, try to catch Cal with your winch. You got it, Ryder. Rocky, see if you and Digi can change Tal's chicken program back to his robot program.
I keep a backup in my robo files. You may begin swiping. Hee, 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 hee. That tickles.
This could take a while.
Why, yes, Chicky Poo. That corn does look yummy. Oh! But this is no time for snacking. That's chickens for you. Once they see corn, they just have to have it.
It's part of her chicken programming. Tal's too. I think Tal's about to blast off!
Can chickens fly?
Oh, that is one of my favorite chicken facts. Yes, just not very far.
Huh? Ha! Oh, kitties, look who's here!
We got a few more fans who want to say hi, too.
Oh, hi, cuties. I'm so glad you're okay. Thanks for saving them. And all of us, too. You're welcome. Whenever a couch crashes your concert, just yelp for help.
Speaking of concerts, don't you have a show to do?
Yeah, and a new song I can't wait to sing.
Come on.
We'll give you a ride.
Ladies and gentlemen, here to sing a new song that I helped write. What? I totally did. Please welcome Sierra Sparkle.
Thank you. This one's dedicated to all my new friends, and it's called Yelp for Help. Oh yeah, I yelp for help. Oh yeah, I yelp for help. When I need help, when I'm in trouble, I call for my friends and they're there on the double. I don't get down when I need help. I'll make that sound, I'll yelp for help. Oh.
Time for my big solo. Hey, come back here with my guitar.
Way to go! Nice catch!
Meh, it was nothing. That was pop-tastic. You saved the spider even though you were afraid of it. Scary or not, I didn't want it to get hurt. Now let's see what's really going on here. Arf! X-ray scanner! What are these? It's a couple of gophers. They weren't after the treats. They were just wearing the spider like a costume to sneak up on all the yummy veggies.
Well, it's nice to know our farm isn't haunted. But we can't let gophers eat all our veggie monsters.
Say, Garby, you thinking what I'm thinking? Okay, you thought of it first. How's it coming, fellas? Well, looky there. You knew just when to stop nibbling. Now, to get these treats into the maze. Thanks for the map, Garby.
Welcome to the haunted farm.
Do you dare? What?
It's me, Farmer Yumi. Like my costume?
Oh, it's frightfully good. Now go find that cauldron of treats. Thanks for saving our Halloween rider.
You're welcome. Whenever your farm is a little too haunted, just for help. Ooh, there it is, there it is.
We made it!
Whoa! Trick or treat.
I didn't get a snazzy new swimsuit today to go swimming tomorrow. Those goats have got to go. Time's up, hot spring hogs. Get your soggy tails out of the water. It's my turn now. That's better.
Mayor Humdinger.
Those mountain goats aren't gonna be too happy about this.
They don't need to be happy. They just need to be gone. Now, if there's any hair in there, I'm getting you to clean it up. Put me down. I'm dressed for swimming, not riding.
Come on, Everest.
There he is! We're catching up!
Where are you taking me? Oh, please tell me that's another hot spring.
Nope, it's a cold spring, and this mountain goat wants to toss you in.
Me? Oh, what did I do to you? Besides all those rude things.
Quick, Everest, grab him!
Rubble! Mayor Humdinger?
Oh.
Thanks for all your help today, PAW Patrol.
You're welcome, Jake.
Whenever your hot springs are in trouble, just yelp for help.
I will, but I don't think I'm gonna have any more trouble. Turns out the mountain goats are happy to share, as long as you say please.
Oh, it was totally worth it.
Speak for yourself.
Thanks for helping me get the party supplies, kitty witties. Now we'll be home in plenty of time to look for that pearl earring I lost.
I can't see you, whoever you are, but I can stop you from going over that bridge.
Rough net!
Hummy, mommy! Whoa! Purple, my favorite. What is going on?
Based on the evidence, I'd say your mom is throwing a party.
Oh, Hummy Gummy, it was supposed to be a surprise party for your birthday.
But my birthday isn't until tomorrow. It's today? Oh, how long was that nap?
I didn't mean to worry you. I only wanted to borrow your kitties for a little shopping. They picked out the top hat piñata.
Oh, you remembered how much I love piñatas.
Now there's only one thing left to do. Invite all your friends.
Surprise! It's my birthday! Surprise! It's my birthday!
Hey, we're invited.
This case is closed.
Uh-oh, someone's getting fussy.
All this playing has really worn her out.
She needs a nap, but we don't have a bed big enough for her.
Not yet. Now let's put this baby to bed.
Time for tuck-in, Yukiko-chan.
Come on now. What'll it take to get you on the train to Sleepy Town?
Ooh, I know. She needs her stuffy. Chase?
Stuffy launcher!
Now!
How did you know the stuffy would grow like that?
That's it. Now close your eyes. Kira kira hikaru o sora no hoshi yo. Night night, my love. Thanks for helping us with Yukiko today.
You're welcome. Whenever your giant baby needs a little tender loving care, just yelp for help.
I will. Huh? Oh. Al, I just had the strangest dream. If you're here, who's watching Yukiko?
Oh, she's fine, Yumi. She's being cared for by the...
Paw Patrol?
Farmer Yumi, watch out!
Look out for our success! Oh, look, it's Garby. I will tell him we are in first place in Goat. Bah! 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 Chase's bicycle safety course.
I'm coming, Farmer Al.
Nice moves, Chase!
Digi and Tal could be anywhere in there. I need a better look. Ruff! Drone!
Say, Garby, do you know the best way out of these uncooked popcorn plants?
I got you, Garby.
Goodbye, Garby.
Wish us luck on our race.
Garby, you're okay. Thanks for saving him, Chase.
You're welcome, but I'm trying to save Digi and Tal too. I can't believe I missed them again.
You know, a wise goat once told me, better to ask for a stick than stay stuck in the mud.
What he means is, sometimes it's a good idea to ask for help.
Thanks, but I can do this.